Hello, this is LaMantia. I'm a registered dietitian, and I'm the author of the Essential Cancer Treatment Nutrition Guide and Cookbook. And to celebrate the 4th printing of my book, I thought I would kind of take you through it. So I wrote this book with a newly diagnosed person in mind, and there's a lot of side effects that can occur due to either the cancer itself or the treatment. And so this book, chapter 2 in this book, goes through all of those side effects in alphabetical order, and it tells you what is the good nutrition strategy. So I'll start with anemia. Now, anemia can come from low iron levels, low B12 levels, low folate. So I included lists of foods. As well, in the recipe section, I indicated which recipes are good for anemia. So I just want to point this one out. It's called chewy molasses squares. Funny story about this recipe. So after my second daughter was born, I was quite anemic, and I said to my mom, "Oh, can you make me this recipe?" It was like some squares, because I was looking at, well, what foods are high in iron, and I didn't really want to eat like liver, and I know that fortified breakfast cereals, so corn flakes, Rice Krispies, that kind of thing, are high in iron. And my mom had this recipe that she made with those 2 ingredients, plus it had peanut butter and chocolate chips. And I said, well, take out the peanut butter and use pumpkin seed butter, because pumpkin seed butter is higher in iron. Take out the chocolate chips and use raisins, because raisins are higher in iron. And then instead of molasses or corn syrup, which the original recipe used, I said use blackstrap molasses, because again, they were high in iron. So I just was picking all these high iron ingredients, and she made it, and they were actually really good, thankfully. And they do have that strong molasses flavor, but it's something to keep in mind if your iron levels are low, so you need to be on foods to help correct the anemia, but you don't necessarily, or it just in addition to eating liver, or another good foods to choose when your iron levels are low are mussels and clams. So I ate a lot of clams as well. Anyway, I was able to correct my anemia fairly quickly. So that's a recipe you might enjoy with the Essential Cancer Treatment Nutrition Guide and Cookbook. Bye for now.